Hi, this is the final video of our tutorial series on how to use Airy UI. The final feature of Airy UI, it's a very strong feature, is that we can set the anchors to fit our rect. For example, why do we make the anchors fit our rect? When we fit our when we make the anchors fit our rect, it will be like this. But why using mouse to drag the anchors, and it's very hard process when you have too many UI elements? Why do we use this feature? When we have multiple screen resolutions like this, your anchors should be fit to our rect, because when we change the resolution of the screen, the position of our element changes according to the anchor. For example, when the anchor is centered, when we change the screen resolution to something like this, it changes. Okay, so this is because the anchor is in the center. The width of the rect is not the same. It changed. For example, our rect here is width. Our rect's width in here, for example, it's about 50% of the width of the screen. But because the anchor is centered, when we changed it, it became about 100% of this. How do we avoid this? We avoid this by making the anchors fit our rect, like that. Now, when we change the anchors, when we change the screen resolution, it will change like this. And that's a good thing. But how do we avoid this process? It's annoying for some people when you have too many UI elements and you catch every UI element and drag its anchors. And it's not precise, as you see. Sometimes it may not be precise. For example, this anchor is here, not here. So Airy UI has a very strong feature for this. We go to Airy UI in here and open the anchors window. Now we have some options. For example, align anchors with direct, and align anchors to the center, and anchors to the top right, and so on. So if we change the anchors back to the center, and we want our anchors to fit our rect exactly, we will press just one click on this. Now everything is set up. Let's do this with the other element. As you see, the anchors are set precisely 100%. This button makes the anchors at the center, and this is to the top right, this is to the top left, and so on. There is another thing we need to know. Sometimes we want our rect to fit the anchors, not anchors fit our rect. For example, if our anchors in here are like this, like that, and we want our UI element to be in this anchors, we have to press this button, align rect to anchors. Now everything is set correctly. Now let's get it back again and align anchors with rect. Okay, this process has a shortcut. Control Shift and Q. Now all we have to do is go to anchors, set anchors to fit rect, Control Shift and Q, or we just simply press our shortcut. Now the anchors are centered, Control Shift and Q. Now the anchors are fit correctly. That's all for this video. Thank you.